This 2025 Grand Design Solitude 382WB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleep 6, microwave, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, stovetop burner, external shower, TV, LP detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Solitude 382WB is 14,866 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.